Most drivers never think about ball joints until something goes wrong. So what do ball joints actually do? Ball joints are critical components of your front suspension. They connect key suspension links and allow them to move smoothly. Think of them like the hip joint of the human body, a ball and socket design that allows movement in multiple directions. In your vehicle, ball joints connect the control arms to the steering knuckles, allowing your wheels to move up and down with the road and turn left and right when you steer. Without properly working ball joints, you wouldn't have a smooth ride or precise control of your vehicle. Now let's talk about the warning signs. When a ball joint starts to wear out, your car usually tells you if you know what to look and listen for. Symptom number 1, audible noises. One of the first and most noticeable signs of a failing ball joint is unusual noise coming from the front suspension. You may hear a clunk, creak, or metallic popping sound, especially when turning the steering wheel, driving over bumps, or pulling into a driveway at an angle. These noises occur because the ball and socket inside the joint have worn down over time. As the joint loosens, it allows excessive movement, causing parts to shift and knock against each other. When this happens, the front suspension can produce rattling or banging sounds that shouldn't be ignored. If it feels or sounds like something is knocking underneath your vehicle, it's a clear sign that the ball joint needs to be inspected. Symptom number 2, sloppy or vague steering. Ball joints play a key role in keeping your wheels properly aligned and responding accurately to your steering input. When they begin to wear out, they introduce excess play into the suspension, causing the steering to feel loose or floaty. You may notice a slow or delayed response when turning the steering wheel, reduced control at highway speeds, or a disconnected feeling during lane changes. In some cases, the vehicle may feel like it's wandering or drifting, making it harder to keep straight on the road. When steering precision starts to fade like this, worn ball joints are often the underlying cause. Symptom number 3, front-end looseness. Worn ball joints don't just impact steering. They compromise the entire front suspension. As the joint loses its ability to hold components tightly in place, you may feel the front end shift or move unexpectedly during braking, cornering, or even when driving over small bumps. This happens because the ball joint is no longer keeping the steering knuckle securely positioned. As a result, the front of the vehicle can feel loose, unstable, and unpredictable, reducing driver confidence and making the ride feel less controlled than it should. Symptom number 4, uneven tire wear. Ball joints play a major role in maintaining proper wheel alignment and suspension geometry. As they wear out, the angles of the suspension change, which can lead to uneven or accelerated tire wear. You may notice excessive wear on the inner or outer edges of the tires, or more advanced patterns like feathering or cupping across the tread. If your front tires are wearing out faster than normal or showing uneven patterns, it's important not to blame alignment alone. Worn ball joints are often a hidden cause and should be inspected as well. So, those are the key signs of worn ball joints you need to watch for. Ignoring them is a serious safety risk. If a ball joint fails completely, it can cause a sudden loss of steering control or even a front suspension collapse, putting you and everyone else on the road in danger. If you notice unusual noises, sloppy or vague steering, front-end looseness, or uneven tire wear, don't wait for the problem to get worse. Have your suspension inspected and repaired as soon as possible to prevent a dangerous failure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.